If you forget everything else about product management, remember this: you are not the customer. What's the worst case that happens if you ignore this? Your roadmap will collapse, your features will flop, and your users will vanish. Whether you're brand new to product management or a decade in, this one rule that underpins every successful product is so important, and forgetting it is the fastest way to kill your team's work. The single most important thing to remember in product management: you are not the customer. It sounds obvious, right? But every day, product managers fall into the trap of building for themselves instead of their users. We prioritize features we want, write stories based on our workflows, and debate UI choices based on what we think looks good. And that's how great products become irrelevant. Here's the real danger. When you assume you know your user, you stop asking questions. You stop testing. You stop learning. And soon, you're shipping features nobody uses, and you have no idea why. The best product managers obsess over user insight. They live in customer interviews. They analyze usage patterns. They ask follow-up questions until they're uncomfortable. Because product market fit isn't a gut feeling. It's discovered through relentless curiosity. Want to be a 10x product manager? Be the one in the room who always asks, what do our users really need right now? That question is your compass. Use it. So remember, you are not the customer, but you can be their best advocate. Build with empathy. Validate with data. And never stop listening. Did you find this video helpful? Click over to the channel for deeper dives into product strategy and AMP, development, tool reviews, career growth, and the latest in product management trends.